So today we're removing what was the abomination formerly known as the entry, which was clearly a home to many critters, including one extremely big snake, probably looks like a rattler, and the man is making noise again, really loud noise again. And we're kind of wondering what might be underneath this because we're hoping it's going to be gold. Darn. Well,
cute little mouse nest.
Let me see. What we got?
Perfect circle.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that was pretty fresh too, actually. They've been using the carpet from...
yeah, reach down and feel and see if the bed's still warm.
Honestly. I was really hoping there was going to be gold under there, but, you know, maybe the next thing we tear apart.
Huh.